Did you know the Mercedes-Benz SL500 can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.7 seconds while massaging your back in heated, ventilated leather seats? Luxury and performance, wrapped in one beautiful beast. This is the Mercedes-Benz SL500, where timeless elegance meets cutting-edge performance. A legend since the 1950s, reborn for the modern era. Let's dive into what makes this luxury roadster truly iconic. But before you get behind the wheel, there's a catch, or at least that's what people think. The SL500 has been tagged with words like high maintenance and unreliable over the years. Some buyers hesitate, worried about complex electronics, expensive service bills, or the idea that it's more show than go. Is that reputation still valid? Or is it just a dated stereotype that's clinging to a nameplate that's evolved? First, let's talk design. The SL500 doesn't scream. It's a whisper of elegance. With a retractable, soft-top, sculpted body and AMG-inspired lines, it stands out without trying too hard. Under the hood, a 4.7-liter twin-turbo V8 pushing out 449 horsepower, smooth, aggressive, and surprisingly nimble. Inside, you get Mercedes premium Command infotainment, ambient lighting, massaging seats, and a layout that makes you feel like a jet pilot more than a driver. And yes, modern SLs are way more reliable than their ancestors, especially with regular care and service from certified centers. It's not just luxury, it's usable luxury, with performance to match. But here's where the SL500 truly shines, the driving experience. Imagine cruising with the top down, air scarf warming your neck on a chilly morning, the V8 growling gently as you glide through corners. It's not just fast, it's refined. It's not just tech-loaded, it's intuitive. You're not just in a car, you're in a moving expression of luxury engineering. For those who've driven it, the SL500 doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. So, the SL500, yes, it's a luxury machine. Yes, it's a performance icon. And while it may require premium care, it rewards you with an unmatched driving experience that very few cars can deliver. What do you think about the SL500? Dream car or overhyped? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're into luxury cars with serious power, check out our deep dive on the BMW 8 Series next.